From the previous videos, you already learned how to install Force Admin and customize its UI. Well, here comes the fun part, as it's time to build features tailored to even the most specific of needs. In this part of the tutorial, you'll learn how to add functionalities to approve and reject users and companies in the onboarding, as well as how to be able to change the status of an already onboarded company. The first one can be done entirely with no code features. Let's get started. Go to the layout editor you already used to customize the UI and access the collection settings. We'll create a simple action to update the status of the record. Just click on save and your action is ready to use. To create more advanced customizations, you have two options. One, use the same flow to connect N8N, Make, or Zapier workflows. Or two, use some coding skills, or ask a developer, to build custom actions. Our advanced customization flow was built by developers for developers, ensuring smooth coding experience. We will build an action that allows triggering the change of the onboarding status and then being approved by a senior member of the team. It can be useful in case there was a mistake or additional verification is needed. First, you need to initialize the Force admin agent and create a project on your computer with the bootstrap command. Some lines of code are already there for you. Just copy them and paste them into your terminal. Now, open your project in a text editor and add the code to define the action. Then come back to the terminal and execute the command. Your new custom action will then appear in the list of actions. In the video description, you will find snippets of code we used. Now, go to the project settings to decide which team members should be able to update the status, because you may want to give this possibility to senior members on the team. Go to roles and smart action permissions to decide that an action to reject a company requires additional approval. Now, to update the status of the company, the KYB analyst will need to trigger an action and wait for the approval. Approval workflows are accessible from the Collaboration tab. Here, a manager or a senior team member needs to decide whether to approve this action or not.